Hi, I'm Bart Mans, lead software engineer at AT Automation, where I became the first full-time ignition programmer. Currently, I'm leading the ignition department, where we have been working for over the past 5 years on various projects all across Europe. What drives me is my passion for technology and applying this in the business world, to solve multiple problems together with my team and the customer. I'm very much looking forward to the future to keep on learning and growing, both as a person and as a team.
My name is Art Trippels, founder and CEO of AT Automation. We believe that any industrial process requires a bespoke solution which is feasible and scalable. By using the ignition platform and continuous development of our software engineers, we are able to meet the high standards of our customers.
In this video, we will go in depth in the key features and functionalities of the system.
Limex is a company with over 32 years of experience in building high-quality washing machines for reusable containers and packaging for a variety of vegetables and plants. These products may become infected by molds or bacteria and cause products to be lost. Also, these sectors are often heavily regulated for health and safety reasons. Limex understands that good hygiene during cultivation is of crucial importance. In addition to building washing machines, Limex also provides washing as a service, including the machine, labor, planning, reporting, and maintenance. For the renowned Royal FloraHolland facility, Limex installed and has been operating 3 lines, all 65 meters in length, and together capable of washing a whopping 50,000 buckets an hour.
I am Jan Verhoef. I am Managing Director with Limex Cleaning Solutions. In this new project we have for FloraHolland Aalsmeer, we were searching for a new way of collecting data and use this data for information. To obey the contract we have agreed with the customer, we have to produce certain KPIs. To calculate those KPIs, we need a lot of data. Data we have to transform to information. Normally we did that before in the similar systems as Excel or paper sheets. Data we have collected afterwards we have to put in another system with hand. And all those different systems made it very heavy for us, cost a lot of time to finally produce the KPIs we need to produce for our customers.
When we listened to the customer request, it became clear that we were searching for HMI, SCADA and MES solution. One of the key strengths of Ignition is that we can integrate those 3 layers into one single application, but of course makes it more efficient and more effective to use one application. Limex searched for one unified application that could fulfill their needs. In order to create this application, we have used the knowledge of our UX designer in combination with our own corporate identity module. This module makes it possible to create visuals with unlimited possibilities. Dynamic navigation is used to give the user the required data and functionalities required for his or her task. Based on the user's roles, can the windows in the navigation be found. Throughout the HMI and SCADA part of the application, there's chosen to always show the status of all 3 washing lines in the footer. This footer has the ability to zoom into specific sections of the washing line and are the main controls available. There's chosen to use recognizable visuals so that the operator can easily identify the machine with the application and solve issues in less time. On each section, there is an option, based on the user's role, to change the section's specific parameters, or to control the section in manual mode. The application is also available on a tablet or mobile phone. This perspective client uses the exact same visuals and controls as the vision client. The main part of the current window shows the overview of all 3 washing lines in the vision client. On this window, multiple counters that are stored historical can be found. These counter values are later also used within the MES part of the application. The parameters related to the current recipe can also be changed. If changes give a favorable result, the changes can be saved within the recipe. In addition to the recipe parameters, has the maintenance engineer also the option to dive into the system parameters that are hidden for the operators. The maintenance engineer can then optimize the washing process by changing parameters for each line. This can even be done remotely if necessary. By including the planning of the amounts of buckets to wash into the application, operators can easily access this information and act upon the planning. In addition, are the actual amounts of washed buckets available for review. Aside from the planning of buckets to wash, can cleaning and maintenance easily be scheduled. The report section is available to retrieve valuable data for internal and external use. Royal FloraHolland has the option to look into several reports so that they always have the latest news on the progress. On the main report window, the dashboard and the amounts of buckets that are washed over time can be found. Also, the distribution across bucket types are visualized. At the bottom of the window, the various KPIs that are relevant for Limex are also stated. Each KPI has a specific window to even dive further into the indicator. One specific request of Limex was that all documentation relevant for any of the users should be made available within the application itself. We have enabled this functionality by creating a library of documents that are available based on a user's role.
Limex has several sites on which we have the services for our customers, our washing service, and we have on each site has its own information system. That's not what we like to have anymore. We like to have one system for all.
To fully utilize the scalability and flexibility of the Ignition platform, they've chosen to brand the solution as Limex Logic. This enables Limex to roll out the system to all their future customers. With the system, Limex has one single application to manage all installations at all customers.
Currently, Limex Logic, powered by Ignition, is integrally being used for controlling, monitoring, and optimizing the washing machines. And the days of using multiple systems, such as WinCC, Excel, and separate planning software, are over. No more waiting time when switching systems, but continuous system availability for both management and customers. In this capacity, the combination of Limex and AT Automation has an important role in the massive export of Dutch flowers across the globe.
AT Automation has a young, competent team for Ignition. They were very dedicated to the job and we like to work with them. And in the future, it's a strong partner for us to go on with.
We at AT Automation see a bright future for Limex with Ignition and look forward to be part of the future.
If a customer asks us if we can build it in Ignition, the only answer is yes. If you can dream it, we can do it.